Hello and welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I am Miss Jolie and today we're going to be making ribbon dancers. This activity is intended for children of all ages and you will need, put this up here for you, a shower ring, some ribbons, and some scissors. Alright, so you can use whatever ribbons and whatever colors you may have laying around. So I've got some red and blue that I've already cut out. So the first thing you'll do is you'll just measure out and cut out your ribbons. I did between 4 and 5 feet, but it didn't have to be that long. You can make it longer if you want longer ribbons. You make it shorter if you want shorter ribbons. That's up to you. All right, so I used red and blue. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the middle of your ribbons. All right, and we're going to take, I'm using 4 ribbons. You can use more, you can use less. So we're going to take our ribbons and we're going to just put a very loose overhand knot into our ribbons right there around the middle. This is actually a little easier if you have another set of hands with you, but it's okay. There we go. So here we go. We're going to leave it loose so that we have a bit of a loop up here. It needs to be big enough for at least a couple of fingers to go through pretty easily. All right, so here's where we take our shower ring. So this is the one I'm using. There's lots of different shower rings out there that work for this. There's the ones that are circles that click into place. There's others that are slightly different shapes. But as long as it's basically roundish and you can use it to hold on to, it'll work. So you're going to take and you're going to pull your majority of your ribbons through one side. And so I've got my loop on one side and I've got the rest of my ribbons on the other. And then I'm going to go around the thing and I'm going to go through that loop that I left. Right? Now that I have gone through, all I have left to do now is to tighten everything up. Right? These 2 knots should keep everything pretty well in place for you and it shouldn't come falling off. If you are having problems with that, a dot of hot glue will fix that problem. And you can just tighten down right over the hot glue dot. All right, so now that you have tied them off, you're ready to dance, dance, dance with your ribbons. All right, I hope you guys have fun with these and don't forget to take pictures and tag us on social media at #ILoveHPL. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.